All right, question 9, 10. Question 9, let's look at question 9. Question 9 reads, let's see, quality planning involves identifying which quality standards are relevant to the project and determining how to satisfy them. It is one of the key processes when doing the planning process group and should be performed in parallel with other project planning processes. Now I'll just digress in here. The reason is quality planning requires number of inputs. One of them is the scope of the project, which is whether what the product, if it's a product, what are the product to be done, what are the requirements of the product, if it's a service, what are the requirements of the service. So that is one of the requirements of the planning process for quality. Now you can check this out on page 97, 98 in PMBOK 2000, and therefore it has to be done, quality planning has to be done in parallel with project planning, so that you understand how the project is to be executed, what are the benchmarks, where are the places at which you can do some measurements of actual physical outputs, so that they can measure it against standards. So that is a thing that has to be done parallel. Now getting back to the question that we had, for example, the required changes in the product to meet identified, I'm reading the question again. For example, the required changes in the product to meet identified quality standards may require cost or schedule adjustments, or the desired product quality may require detailed risk analysis of an identified problem. In this context, in the context of planning, the following statement about quality planning are accurate, except the one that is not accurate is, out of the four we had to choose the one, and it will be, let me get back to the question, I can't see the question. It'll be, you don't worry, see, part of what you do after quality planning, it has nothing, which is then quality assurance and quality control. Recommending to the customer is none of the, or the operation manager is none of the business of the quality planner. That's number 4. So number 4 is not part of quality planning. In fact, it's not part of quality management at all. However, quality planning is performed in parallel to the project planning, number 1, which is true. While doing quality planning, you should be aware of about government agency regulations, such as environmental control, other rules such as standards, guidance, even health and safety requirements. All of that should be fully aware. And you can use DOE, which is called design of experiments, to help identify which factors may influence specific variable of a product or process under the development. In other words, what are the variables that could be adjusted to change the output or some other variable of the product or service. So in answer to the question is number 4, which is not part of quality planning. In fact, it's not part of quality management. Number 10, when all customer requirements are for the product of the projects are satisfied, then item 3, which is quality criteria, are met. It's MET, not ME. MET are met. Other 3 are not true. Customer expectations are exceeded, certainly not. They are, because the quality criteria are satisfied. Costs are maybe very high, very difficult to prove that. It may sometimes be even less. Product will be successful in the market. Market, nothing to do with quality. It's all to do with market and the customer. Bye.